Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques, and a very attractive stack of side or T-plates, 7-inch plates made by Johnson Brothers. We always like to show you the side elevation on these plates because it does give you an indication of the quality and condition of them. The brightness you can tell by the glaze on the side, if there's any nicks, cracks or damage to them. Let's show you one of the plate surfaces. Johnson Brothers Old Chelsea range china, and this is autumn flowers from the range of patterns they made on this particular brand. Lovely orange, brown and yellow floral bouquets with some nice moulding, as you can see on this side plate. See this where it comes out with a little bit of rib rotated moulding going out to this irregular rim with gilt hand applied on the upper surface but not on the outer surface, as you can see on the side of the stack of plates. There's the period Johnson Brothers marks, green crown marks the angular crown of Johnson Brothers post-war with the BY coding, which is the coupon code or rationing code that was in place in the United Kingdom during the period these plates were made, right up until the late 1950s. So that dates them really nicely when you see that, and the condition of them, as you can see on the glaze reflection here, really nice and bright. So we've got no condition warnings or notes on any of these. 12 of them available. We've got dessert plates and dinner plates coming through, with a few teacup trios also coming available. So do have a browse through on the website. We'll pop a link in this video taking you to the website listing for these side plates. But if you're looking for particular pieces in this brand or design, then do browse the website on Old Chelsea Autumn Flowers, and you should pull all the pieces currently on catalogue. Thanks for watching.